In this video, we will see how to change the username in Clubhouse app. After you open the app, tap on your profile. Then tap on your username. Here you can type your new username. Make sure you type what you really want to use going forward and then click on update. Note that this cannot be changed a second time. Some say you can contact the Clubhouse team to request a change, but we don't know if it really works in the long run. So this is your first and last chance to change your username in the Clubhouse app. This notification says it all, that you can only change it once. It's a permanent update made to this account that I'm using, with the hope that the new username is also available and not reserved or used by anyone else. If you are confident, tap on looks good. That's it, the update is done. It may not immediately reflect, but just navigate to a different screen and check again, the change would reflect. And here's what it told me when I tried to tap on my username again with an intention to change it, but there you have it. I hope it helped you. Thank you. Bye.